Hello, my name is Robert Brewster. The name of this game is Serve and Return. This is a volleyball game for grades 6 through 9. All you're going to need for this game is some volleyballs and a net. To set up this game is very simple. Just simply use the volleyball court lines and net as I have shown pictured in the diagram here. In this game, there can be more students involved in the game than there would be in a traditional volleyball game, so you can have a lot of students on each side of the net. But if your class is just that big where you have too many students to be involved in this game, then you can set up different game areas across your court, and you can use boundary markers to set up about the same size as a volleyball court and just use the net to put in between that. But you're going to split your students into two teams and place one team on one side of the net, one team on the other, and then one team server opposite of them. As you can see in this diagram below, Team X is on one side of the net, and Team X's server will actually be serving to their own team in this game. Same for Team Red. After that, just give each team member that's serving, as you can see this diagram, you're going to start with one server, and each server is going to have one volleyball, and then you're going to place a bunch of volleyballs outside the playing area, which are represented by the whitish gray circles here at the bottom of the screen. This game is easy to play. On your signal, the servers that you have chosen to start off on each side will begin serving their ball to their teammates on the other side. In this example, I'm using Team Red here. The server from Team Red serves to the other side, which the purple team will also be serving at the exact same time. I'm just using Team Red as an example here. The servers will serve to their teammates, and they have to serve it within the boundaries of the playing court. And then if one of the team members return the ball back over the net successfully and it lands in play, then that team member will run off the court, grab a volleyball, and run and also begin serving. The object of the game is to see which team can get all their team members to the opposite side serving. The first team to clear their side of the court will win the game. The teams will not volley the ball back and forth once it is served. The only thing they're trying to do is the team member is trying to serve to their team, and the team's just trying to return it back over the net. Once it hits the ground, the other team will just roll it to their server. And again, the team that can get all their team members that are on the court returning serves back across and make them servers, that team is going to win the game first. If the game is too difficult for some of the younger grades that you're trying to teach it to, you can allow them to catch the ball first after it is served, and then throw it up and return it that way. There are a couple different techniques that are going to be used while playing this game. While serving, students can use the underhand or overhand serve, which I have both shown here on the bottom of the diagram. Underhand serving, students want to step with their opposite foot while swinging their serving hand in an underhand pendulum motion and striking the ball while following through. It's basically the exact same thing for overhand, except the students are going to toss the ball up with their opposite hand, keeping their eye on the ball and stepping with their opposite foot and striking the ball with their serving hand and following through. Students that are returning the ball need to have bent knees, need to keep their eye on the ball, need to have their arms locked out, and they're going to be using the inside of their forearms to bump the ball back across the net. Again, the name of this game is Serve and Return. I got the source of this game from YouTube. Thanks for watching.